Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here in this video we'll see how to subscribe and save various items which you use it regularly, such as consumables like diapers, like grocery items, those what you will be using it regularly for your daily use. Some advantage of subscribe and save is like you don't have to purchase this every time, every month, or whatever time you have fixed in that schedule. Like if it could be monthly, bi-monthly, quarterly, or half yearly. So you get that product regularly, and as for my experience, these products are usually a little bit cheaper than the regular product that you buy on Amazon. So it becomes a win-win situation for both buyer and seller to subscribe and save those products. So let's see how to go choose or select products which are available for subscribe and save feature. Let's go on how to do that. So this is the Amazon app you have to open. Once you are into this Amazon app, you can see there's something called 3 bars here. You just press, and here you can see programs and features. Just select that, and here you can go to the last and see here subscribe and save. So just click here, and here you can see a lot of items which are under subscribe and save. So something like beauty products, Dettol, all these products, usually grocery items or consumable items, which you'll be using regularly every time. You can see a lot of items are available for subscribe and save. For example, I just want to subscribe and save this Dettol disinfectant clean liquid. I'll just click here, and you can see it will take me to the normal page, in fact, but here you can see if you go down under here, you can see there is an option called subscribe and save. It is writing 5%, 10% sometimes. Say, you can see there are some clause here: save up to 10% on auto deliveries, save 10% when you receive 3 or more products in 1 month to one address with subscribe and save. Currently you will save 5% on your August 26th delivery. Once you order for subscribe and save, you will get the delivery after a month, not immediately. So it's like a planning your purchase for future and planning for regular purchase, not like a one-time purchase. So I'll be saving around 5% of normal market value, and I'll be getting today's July 29th, and I'll be getting this product on August 26th. So you can choose how often it is to be delivered, skip or cancel anytime, for once a month to once every 6 months. So maximum 6 months, and minimum you have to purchase or get it within a month. Skip or cancel anytime will send you a reminder before each delivery. So it will be sending notifications that you have a order pending. If you want to cancel, you can cancel it, and it will just remind you that there's an order for which you can take a decision whether to buy it or not. It's not like once you subscribe and save, you have to purchase that item every time. So these are the facilities available. So for example, I will choose a quantity here, maybe 1, 2, 3. For this video, I'll just choose 1 and deliver every. It will automatically select the most common delivery period, what buyers select, automatically 2 months. For example, I'll go for 6 months for this video sake. I'll go 6 months. You can see the price is 312. One time purchase, you can see the price is 312. If I do subscribe and save, I'll get it at 296.4. So once I press subscribe now, this item is subscribed, and I can choose my address where this product is to be delivered. So I'll just choose my address here, deliver to this address, and payment method. Here Amazon is saying that usually by default it will ask for Amazon Pay balance payment. Like if you have Amazon Pay balance, it will automatically deduct, and it will deduct 9 days before your date of delivery, and it will also send a reminder to top up your pay balance if it doesn't have sufficient balance. Another way of payment, if sufficient balance is not maintained in your account, they'll send a pay link to pay for this particular order, subscribe and save orders, where you can use your credit or debit card or net bank, etc, etc. So I'll just continue. Usually I pay by Amazon Pay balance. It's so easy for me. So you can see you save 5% on this product. So why I like recommend this subscribe and save, like if you are using some items regularly, every month or every 2 months. It's better to take this subscribe and save where you have to forget everything. Just top up your Amazon balance. It will automatically get deducted. You'll get the product regularly on given time, and you'll obviously get a great discount. And usually the sellers who are in subscribe and save, they are highly rated sellers who are very trustable, or for whom we can trust for their quality and their delivery. So, and this is one thing. And in case you don't want a product in any month or completely, you can unsubscribe, as well as you can cancel the particular order also. For example, as I've said, if every month you have a subscribe and save order, and on the second month you don't want that product, usually it happens with my baby diaper. I don't want the product for some reason on the second month. I can cancel it. I can get again the regular order on the third month. I can even change the delivery period of subscribe and save as well. So friends, this is a wonderful feature of Amazon. Please make use of that and save money through it. Have a light, tension-free mind, so that you don't have to remember everything like this month I have to purchase this product on that particular date. It will automatically come once you top up your Amazon Pay, or if you keep extra money in that Amazon Pay account. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope this video was useful. If you found this video useful, please like this video and share this across various platforms, so that many people come to know of this feature of subscribe and save in Amazon. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.